Hello everyone, my name is Suzanna. Welcome to Suzanna's How-To. Today we're going to make milk out of plastic. Today we're going to make plastic out of milk. I'll tell you what we need for plastic out of milk. We need paper towel, and we need vinegar, and the milk, and a tablespoon, and 2 cups. We need to make the milk hot. If you're a kid, please let a mom or dad help. I will do it after I get the scissors ready. Now let's first pour in this because I can't do it very well. So. Four spoons of this into the cup. And now let's pour in the milk. Really be careful with it because it's hot. And now let's mix it. Do you see the little gems here? We don't want the water, so we need to just like this. And before we put on the towel, we need to let it cool off. And I will come back with this cool off. We'll first like this and like this so we can get all the water out. And now let's put on here to get all the water out. We kind of like this. Get all the water out. This one. And let's take out. It feels like Play-Doh. It needs something. And we will take more and more. Again. Take it out again. And then raise it. One more. I'll get all the water out, I will knead it with this nice and smooth. Now it's nice and smooth. I will use a cookie cutter. You can use whatever you want. Like we're making cookies. Uh-oh. I guess I'll do another one. Ta-da! It will be 2 days to dry. You can use crayon markers, whatever you want to color it. So thank you for watching Susanna's How To. I hope you make it very good.